Hello, I'm Akshara, a cloud support engineer here at the AWS office in Bangalore. Today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot the error 1236 that can occur when you are using MySQL as the source database for an AWS database migration service, change data capture or CDC task. Let's get started. When you use AWS DMS to migrate data from a MySQL source database, DMS reads from the row-based binary logs to capture data changes. If there are issues with the binary logs, then you might receive the error 1236 message. There are a few variations of this error that can occur. Let's start with could not find first log file name in binary log index file reading Binlog. You receive this error message when the MySQL database has removed the binary log file that DMS was using to replicate changes. To resolve this issue, check the binary log retention period setting on the source database. If needed, increase the retention period. Then restart the DMS task to rerun the full load. For self-managed MySQL, check the value of expire logs days setting to review the binary logs retention period. For AWS managed source MySQL DB, run these AWS command line interface commands to view and modify the binlog retention hours setting. Run MySQL RDS show configuration to check the binary log retention period in hours. To increase log retention value, run MySQL RDS set configuration command to set the value in hours. After performing the modification, restart the DMS task to run the full load again. Now let me show you how to resolve the log entry exceeded max allowed packet. Increase max allowed packet on master error message. You receive this error message when a row has more data than the max allowed packet value on the source. A transaction contains a very large amount of data or there is binary log corruption. To resolve these issues, set max allowed packet to a value that is high enough for your largest binary large object data. This parameter can have a value up to 1 GB. For AWS managed source MySQL DB, select the custom parameter group used by your source instance and modify the max allowed packet parameter to increase the value. And finally run this command to check for binary log corruption. Let's move on to the binlog truncated in the middle of event error message. You get this error message when there is binary log corruption, which can happen when you did not set the sync binlog parameter to 1 on the primary server. There is binary log corruption on the source database. To resolve these issues, first check the value of sync binlog parameter with this command. If the value of the parameter is not 1, then set the value to 1. After performing the modifications, restart the DMS task. If the sync binlog parameter is already set to 1, then review the binary logs for corruption. Now let us resolve the client requested master to start replication from impossible position error message. You get this error message when the MySQL database unexpectedly stopped either from a power loss or disk failure. To resolve this issue, for full load and CDC tasks, restart the DMS task. For CDC only tasks, start from the next binary log position. And finally, if you receive the client requested master to start replication from position greater than file size error message, then you are using encrypted binary logs with MySQL 8.0 as the source. In this case, AWS DMS can't read the logs at task initialization, so you must turn off binlog encryption before you start the DMS task. Run this command to check whether binlog encryption is on. If binlog encryption is on, run this command to turn off binlog encryption before starting the DMS task. So now you know how to troubleshoot the error 1236 that can occur when you are using MySQL as the source database for an AWS DMS CDC task. Thanks for watching and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.